All right, what you see here is all of the components to the 65C that we have that we're selling that was in a hangar for 17 years. This is a one owner Tucson car. Was originally topo brown. This present customer took it apart 17 years ago and did a color change to Oslo blue. All the components are individual boxes. This guy was an engineer from Hughes Aircraft. So he took this thing apart in such a way that he would be able to reassemble it. So what you see here are the containers of all the parts. The quality of this car is exceptional. This vinyl dash is like perfect. There's no need to even restore it. Matter of fact, you can see the little grommet there for the dash, how it goes on. The moldings are all there. They're in really good shape. The seats are here, and they're all original still. Nice shape, no rips, no tears in the vinyl. The gas tank's excellent. The motor and transmission are out in the shop. Cylinder leakage on the engine was 2.3, 2.4%. So that's all good. We got a water leak here in the ceiling, so these boxes got wet. So we're now going to have to go through these boxes. But when we looked at the frames on the windshield, the chrome is excellent on this car. It looks like it's corroded, but it's just dirty dust from Arizona. When we examined the felt channel down inside the window frame, we found that the felt was excellent, so the glass is going to slide like it should up and down just fine. The whole chassis was wire brushed, the same as you see this front end that's ready to be reassembled on the car. All the wheel wells of this car are all wire brushed and ready for paint undercoating. The paint is a show quality job. The wheels are all date stamp correct. We found paperwork back to the second owner who bought it in 1970, owned it for 25 years. And the original owner bought it here in Tucson, Arizona as a topo brown 65C. He owned it till 1970, sold it to a Porsche mechanic. He, at 75,000 miles, did a fresh overhaul on the top end of this car. So the cylinder leakage is excellent on that car. So we will be bringing that one up for sale next. After that is a estate deal on a 57 Speedster. The Izetta is a estate sale. The 325 iX is a estate sale. The black Porsche there belongs to the gentleman who owns the two BMWs. This here is coming up for sale now. Next. This Roadster is completely restored. It's for sale too, but all this is just extra stuff. Basically,